We just moved here 3 years ago. So we inherited a lawn that had not been well maintained. It's very shady in the backyard. It's partially sunny in the front. I had no idea what kind of lawn was there. We did an analysis. We started different applications of weed and preventative applications that worked over time. This spring I decided to get the front lawn reseeded with a process that you use, and not do the back, just so I could compare the two lawns at the end of the season, and that's proved to be quite useful information to me. What do I do about my lawn to keep it from hurting my 5 kids? Horticulturalist I know mentioned your name and said, why don't you check them out? So I went online, found out about you, and the rest is history as far as I'm concerned. I've used you ever since. I would tell them, if they're interested in preserving the environment, making sure that the lake stays blue, that they look into and probably start utilizing the services that you provide.